On April 23rd, a possible vaccine for COVID-19 was injected into the first two patients. Now, it was developed by Oxford University in the UK over a 3-month period. Scientists are hoping that the vaccine would work. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be answering your questions about the coronavirus. My name is Zenas and you're welcome to Health Spotlight. Before I start, I would like to say that every information I'm giving you is relevant up until this date. And every information I'm also giving you is from the World Health Organization. So below the video, you are going to see a link from YouTube directing you to the official website of the World Health Organization. So if you think you want more information, then you click on the link below and it will lead you to the website. So an asymptomatic person is a person that has the disease but is not showing symptoms. So a study has shown that majority of the world's cases was spread by asymptomatic persons. So yes, an asymptomatic person can spread the disease. April. A possible vaccine for COVID-19 was developed by a team at the Oxford University within a 3-month period. Now, scientists are hoping that this vaccine will work. So it was injected into the first two patients who volunteered to be part of the clinical trials. So this vaccine was made from the weakened version of a common cold virus called adenoviruses from chimpanzee because they have genetic similarities with human beings. So what the vaccine, or in the process of making the vaccine, scientists take the protein spike from the coronavirus and then they use it in the process of making the vaccine for COVID-19. Now, when this vaccine is injected into the human body, it begins to behave like the COVID-19. So because it has the spike protein of the COVID-19, it triggers the body's immune system, that is the body's fighting system, to produce certain substances we call antibodies. And these antibodies go and attack this new vaccine, or this vaccine that enters the body. So the next time coronaviruses get into the body has fought it before, so it's able to produce the same antibodies to attack the COVID-19. So there are two types of tests that we do for COVID-19. You have the PCR test and the antibody test, or antibody test. So the PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction test. Now in this type of, they take swabs or samples from your respiratory tract, your nose, your mouth, and they test for the DNA of the virus. Second one, the antibody test. They test for two antibodies in your body, the IgG and the IgM antibodies. Both have their scientific name. And the IgM is antibodies that are produced in the body when you get a new infection at the early stage of the infection. And the IgG antibodies are produced after you have recovered or at the latter stage of the infection. So basically, these are the two steps that are done, the two tests that are done to test for COVID-19. But currently, there is a research going on into a third type of test called the rapid test using saliva. Globally, there are over 2.5 million confirmed cases worldwide, with over 180 fatalities worldwide. Currently, there are 213 countries that have reported cases of COVID-19. So there are conspiracy theories moving on social media about the origin of the coronavirus pandemic. There is one that says that it is a 5G radiation that is causing, this are saying is a lab engineered virus, meaning it was made in the lab and then released into the human population. Well, scientists are not convinced that any of them is true, and more research are going to see whether any of these conspiracy theories are true. Meanwhile, we will advise all of you to avoid reading such information. Just stay at home and then stay safe and wait for the World Health Organization to release the statement. So these are the latest questions on the COVID-19 pandemic. Any other information that will come out, I'll keep you updated. questions you ask, kindly state it in the comment section and I'll reply to each and every one. Meanwhile, stay at home and stay safe. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. I'd like you to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that anytime I release a video, you'll get notified. Stay at home, stay safe.